Here's an update on the dollar CAD pair. Daily time frame to start things off. As you can see, we did have a nice little bounce off support here, as expected at the 50% fib, roughly around 127.20, all the way up to just about that 23.6 fib level, and that is now holding as resistance. So again, looking at potentially sloping towards the downside with the bigger moves starting to occur once we break that 50 fib level, and that should take us all the way down to around the 124.50s. So still pretty boring here. I mean, other pairs are probably more exciting to trade than the dollar CAD at this time, such as EU, GU, NZ, AU. Probably the better plays. For me personally, I just like a little bit more action in this. So for our hourly time frame, the main thing here to watch for is going to be the support or failure of the 128.70 level. If we continue to hold this level, then obviously you'll be looking at another test at 129.30, 129.26. Then, if that fails, then you're looking for another test and most likely a failure, in my opinion, coming back down to at least the 128 level, and then another bounce potentially, and then another slow bleed down to those 127.5s. And that's basically where I see this going at this point in time. So, 4 hour time frame. Again, see that we did have a nice little push to the upside here, looking at some consolidation. Probably try another test of those 129.25s, and then another move back down to test the lows and start pushing back towards that 120 690 level. And if that level does break, like that's the 50 fib level. So if that 50 breaks down, then you should start pushing down towards the 786 fib, which is around the 124.50s.